Here's how to use voice memos on your iPhone. Now, this isn't a super popular app on the iPhone, but it is super powerful because it's a great way to kind of gather your thoughts, to send somebody a message, a loved one, a happy birthday greeting, anything like that. I'm going to show you how to use those voice memos, how to edit them, send them, save them, all of that stuff. So let's open up the Voice Memos app here. And the first and easiest thing to do is just let's record a new voice memo. So I'm just going to tap the record button at the bottom center here, and I'm just going to record my voice, whatever message you want. This is a really nice thing to do. If, say, somebody is having a birthday, you can record a quick birthday message or a happy birthday song or something like that. So when we're done, we'll just hit that square red button, and you can see it titles it New Recording 5. Now, there are a couple different things we can do from here. Is we can hit that play button and just listen to it again, see if we like it. If we don't like it, we can hit that trash can icon, just delete it and re-record. But you can also just tap that little filter icon, the adjustments, and you can make it faster. Basically, if you feel like you just didn't talk fast enough, you can speed it up, or you can slow it down. You can skip silences. You can enhance the recording. So we can do all those things to edit and modify this voice recording. And then at the top right, we can tap those three dots, and there are a few different options here. One is you can save it to your files on your iPhone, either in the downloads on your iPhone or the iCloud. You can share it, you can text this, email it so that you have a record of it, maybe on a different device or anything like that. You can hit edit recording, which is a cool feature here. Basically, what you can do is tap that little blue icon at the top right, and it will allow you to trim this. So you can basically trim it down and make this shorter. Say if at the very end you're like, all right, well, I didn't wrap it up very well, so I'm just going to trim it out and cut it out. You can basically remove that last section and just hit trim there, and it will automatically remove that last section of it. And then we can hit save at the top right, and then done. You can also hit resume if you wanted to just re-record a certain section. So you can trim out a certain section and then re-record it if you wanted to at that point. Now let's hit done, and this is maybe the recording that we like. We want to save it. I'm just going to tap those three dots again, and I'm going to hit share here, and then text message. And then basically you can text this to whoever you want. You could email it, you could save it to your files. Again, a bunch of different options. But the nice thing is that this will always be on your phone. You can always go back to it and listen to it down the road, which is really fun. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.